Hey guys, this is Parviz. Today I'm gonna talk about how does Skype screen sharing on iPad works. So I have iPad and iPhone here. Let's launch both Skype. Okay. I can have voice call as well as video call, but it doesn't matter because even if you make a video call, when you want to share your screen, the other guy cannot see your face. So it doesn't matter. So let's do just with voice call. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the voice. So accept it. Okay, sounds okay. So microphone is muted because I have two devices just side by side, and because of the echo I just turned them all off. Okay, so how can I share the screen? Here there are three dots. You can first of all add some people to this conference and make it like a conference and then share the screen. Or you just go to share the screen, start broadcast. It will take 3 seconds. And voila. Yeah, you can see the screen here. So the speaker is off, by the way, and I cannot see the camera here because I called as a voice call. But even if I called as a video call, still he could not see this guy, because while screen sharing you cannot see this guy face. So I can rotate this phone to see it better. Okay. For example, while screen sharing, I can always write something. So type something, hey. Okay, and you can see it here. So another thing is that I use Skype for video conferences or voice conferences for my project with my colleagues, as well as while I am teaching something. So, for example, and you can see the screen is shared, I use Notability app for my students as a teaching method, and I really love it. So if you want to have a tutorial about this app for taking notes, please write in the comments. I will try to do that, and it's fantastic app for taking notes, and I replaced it to OneNote of Microsoft. Okay, so imagine that I want to teach something to a student. Yeah, so you can see here I am writing something. Hi. And he immediately sees that. And if I want to imagine that I now want to share one of these pages, for example this one, it's enough while having the video call and a screen share, I still can do sharing stuff from here. So for example, let's send it I can send the whole PDF or just one page of this PDF by this app while doing a screen share. So for example, I can choose which one of them and deselect all and just choose the page number 5. Yeah, it means this page, and then go back and share the note. And here I choose Skype. Of course I can choose other means, but I choose the Skype, and I can send it to him. And you still can see here, yes, you have received it, and you can see it also here that something has received. So this is the Skype call and sharing the screen while doing a Skype. I hope you enjoyed the video. So whenever you want to turn off the screen share and go back to your voice call or video call, you just click on this icon, which is screen sharing, and you just stop it. Or you go back to Skype, and here you just turn it off and stop it, and you go back to your normal voice call or video call. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like it, share it with your friends, maybe they need it, and subscribe in my channel. See you next time.